discover the enigmatic realm of how women fall in love, an intricate dance of emotions and connection. Delve into the deepest recesses of their hearts as they traverse the delicate path towards true affection. With each tender step, trust deepens and a profound bond begins to blossom. It all starts with a spark, ignited by an unspoken chemistry that defies rational explanation. Through shared laughter and heartfelt conversations, she uncovers a resonance that transcends the ordinary. As the sweet whispers of vulnerability pass between them, her heart surrenders to an undeniable magnetic pull. Time slows down, and her focus narrows to the contours of his smile, the cadence of his voice, and the warmth in his touch. As they navigate the ebbs and flows of a growing connection, passion ignites and love takes hold. In this captivating journey, she unveils her authentic self, yearning to be seen and understood, and when her heart finds solace in his embrace, she knows that she has found not only love, but a soul who reciprocates her deepest desires. Step into this entrancing world, where love unfolds into a story written in the language of the heart.